My name is Ashwin, and I'm the marketing manager of Particle Network. As the marketing manager, I'm responsible for promoting and raising awareness of Particle Network's full stack Web3 infrastructure. And also, I'm excited to be a part of such a dynamic and innovative company and look forward to helping driving the growth and adoption of decentralized technology through Particle Network's infrastructure. Overall, Particle Network aims to simplify the process of building and deploying dApps, making it easier for developers to create decentralized applications that take advantage of the benefits of blockchain technology. Particle Network is a tool for building and managing identities on the blockchain, connecting traditional Web2 users to the decentralized Web3 ecosystem. At Particle Network, we understand the challenges that users face while trying to access Web3 services, especially those who are new to the decentralized world. One of the biggest hurdles is that we need to remember and securely store mnemonic phrases, which are often used as a form of authentication and access control. To address this issue, we have implemented multi-party computation technology that eliminates for the need of mnemonic phrases, which still ensures that users have complete control over their assets. This means that users can access Web3 services using familiar login methods such as phone numbers, emails, and social logins, which are native to the Web2 world. This significantly lowers the barrier for Web2 users to access Web3 services and make it easier for them to engage with decentralized applications. By removing the need for mnemonic phrases, we are making it more convenient for users to access Web3 services and in turn helping to drive the adoption of decentralized technology. Use case of multi-scene arrays. Particle Network is a versatile infrastructure that supports a wide range of use cases. One of its key features is the ability to support GameFi, which allows developers to create decentralized games and gaming experience on the blockchain. SocialFi services that enable the creation of decentralized social networks and communities. Additionally, Particle Network infrastructure is designed to support the deployment of decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, which are decentralized community driven organizations that operate on the blockchain. Furthermore, it also provides the necessary tools and services to build and deploy Web3 applications that take advantage of the blockchain technology. With its wide range of supported use cases, Particle Network is well suited for developers and organizations looking to build decentralized applications and experience on the blockchain. Auth and Connect. The Auth and Connect feature of Particle Network allows users to log in to Web3 services using their existing Web3, Web2 login credentials, such as social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, or Google. This eliminates the need for users to create new accounts or remember complex mnemonic phrases. Instead, they can simply use the login credentials they already use for Web2 services, making the process of accessing Web3 services more convenient and user friendly. This feature also allows for easy connectivity between Web2 and Web3 services, allowing users to seamlessly connect to Web3 services without having them to create a new account or log in again. Second, wallet. Uh, the Particle wallet built on top of Particle Network infrastructure allows users to easily send, receive, buy, and swap digital assets. User can easily transfer digital assets to and from other wallets using the send and receive feature. The buy feature enables user to easily purchase digital assets using fiat currencies, credit or debit cards, or other supported payment methods. The swap feature allows user to easily exchange one digital asset for another, all within the Protocol wallet. This wallet supports major blockchains. This makes it a one-stop for managing digital assets on Web3. The other services. Web3 node service, Particle Network. We provide a Web3 node service that allows user to interact with the blockchain and its decentralized applications. The powerful analytics. Particle Network provides powerful analytics tools for Web3 applications, enabling in-depth analysis and monitoring. Built-in NFT mining and marketplace. Particle Network provides built-in NFT minting and marketplace functionalities, allowing for easy creation and trading of non-fungible tokens. The fiat to crypto. Particle Network offers a fiat to crypto service that enables users to easily purchase digital assets using traditional fiat currencies such as USD or Euro. This simplifies the process of acquiring digital assets and allowing users to easily enter the Web3 ecosystem. And the last, IPFS node service. Particle Network provides an IPFS, interplanetary file system, node service that allows user to store and retrieve data in a decentralized and secure way. This service utilizes the IPFS protocol, a peer-to-peer method of storing and sharing hypermedia in a distributed file system to store data in a decentralized network or nodes, rather than on a centralized server. This service allows Web3 developers to build and deploy decentralized applications that can store and retrieve data in a decentralized manner, providing increased security and decentralization. And the solution offered by Particle Network Solution. The Auth and Connect feature of Particle Network. It allows users to easily log in to Web3 services using their Web2 login. This means that user can use the existing social media accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, or Google to authenticate and access Web3 services. This eliminates the need for users to create new accounts or remember complex mnemonic phrases. Instead, they can simply use the login credentials they already use for Web2 services, making the process of accessing Web3 services more convenient and user friendly. Additionally, this feature also allows for easy connectivity between Web2 and Web3 services. For example, a user can log in into a Web2 service using their social media account and then seamlessly connect to a Web3 service without having to create a new account or login again. This enables users to easily access and engage with Web3 services even if they are not familiar with the decentralized world. In summary, Auth and Connect future of Particle Network aims to make the process of accessing Web3 services more convenient and user-friendly by allowing users to use their existing social log media accounts to log in and connect Web2 and Web3 services. As we see, the Connect SDK, the Web3 Connect feature of Particle Network allows users to easily connect their crypto wallet to Web3 services. This enables users to access and interact with decentralized applications and services using the same crypto wallet they use to manage their digital assets. This feature eliminates the need for users to create new wallets or import private keys, making the process of accessing Web3 services more convenient and user friendly. Once connected, users can easily manage their digital assets with the Web3 services, such as sending and receiving cryptocurrency, participating in decentralized finance applications, and more. Additionally, this feature also enhances the security of transactions by allowing users to log in from their crypto wallets rather than having to enter private keys or on their Web3 services. In summary, the Web3 Connect feature of Particle Network aims to make the process of accessing Web3 services more convenient and secure by allowing users to connect their existing crypto wallets to Web3 services. This enables users to easily manage the digital assets and perform transactions within Web3 services using their own private key. The last but not the least, the Wallet SDK. The Particle Network is a platform that provides a full-featured wallet SDK and API for developers to create and manage digital wallets. The SDK and API are designed to be comprehensive and easy to use, allowing developers to quickly and easily build functional digital wallets for the users. One of the key features of the Particle Network is the ability to design your own login for the wallet. This means that developer can create a custom login page that fits the look and feels of the brand and provide a unique user experience for their users. This allows developer to create a wallet that is tailored to the needs of their users and provide a seamless experience. Alternatively, developers can also customize their login page on Particle's dashboard. This is a simple option for developers who do not want to spend the time and resources building a custom login page. The dashboard provides an easy to use interface that allows developers to quickly and easily make changes to the login page. such as changing fonts, colors, and other design elements, such as changing fonts and design elements. In summary, a particle network provides a full-featured SDK and API that allows developers to create a custom login page for their digital wallet or simply customize an existing one on the Particle's dashboard that provides flexibility in the design and user experience of the wallet. Fair to crypto. We have three partners supporting 36 pairs from different region offering and choosing the best rate suppliers for users. Use case. Players can interact with the game. This is a Power of Woman 3D dress-up game. With this game, players can interact with the game by dressing up their virtual services in various clothes, accessories, and makeup, allowing players to express their creativity and have fun. This game also has integrated particle art and connect feature, which enables users to connect to the game with their social media accounts and share their virtual looks with friends. Additionally, this game has implemented NFT, an non-fungible token mint and marketplace feature. NFT are unique digital assets that can be bought, sold, and traded on blockchain marketplaces. This allows players to collect, own, and trade virtual clothing, accessories, and makeup as unique NFTs. And this game is one of the top one games in the Google Play US market, which suggests that this is very popular and well received by the American audience. And it is built on top of Solana, a high performing blockchain platform that allows for fast, low cost transactions, which is important for a game that involves buying and selling virtual items. Particle networks dashboard. Okay. In our dashboard, we provide a user-friendly interface that allows user to view and manage all their wallet statistics and customize the authentication user interface easily. To view all the users can simply log into a dashboard command and navigate to the stats tab. Here they can see various statistics such as the number of transaction wallet balances and everything. They can also filter the data by date range to view specific periods. In conclusion, the particle network dashboard provides a comprehensive and easy to use interface for users to view and manage all their wallet statistics and customize their authentication UI. This allows users to have full control over the look and functionality of the wallet's login page and make it unique to their needs. So, the particle art is secured by MPC-TSS, the advantages of threshold signature schemes. Let's take a brief look about it. A natural cross-chain experience threshold signature scheme is a cryptographic technique that allows multiple parties to jointly sign a digital document or transaction without the need for a central authority. TSS provides a number of advantages over traditional signature schemes, including improved security and increased flexibility. One of the main advantages of TSS is its ability to provide a natural cross-chain experience. In traditional signature schemes, each blockchain or network typically has its own set of rules and protocols for signing transactions. This can lead to complexity and friction when trying to move assets or information between different networks. With TSS, multiple parties can jointly sign a transaction or document regardless of the underlying blockchain or network. This allows for a seamless and natural experience when moving assets or information across different networks or platforms. And the second point, user have absolute control over their assets. Non-user parties cannot initiate signatures. This is because in a TSS, a signature can only be generated if a certain threshold of users agree to it. This means that non-user parties such as hackers or malicious actors cannot initiate a signature without the cooperation of the authorized users. This improves security and helps to prevent unauthorized transactions. Additionally, TSS can also provide improved fraud tolerance as it allows for the system to continue functioning even if some of the users are unavailable or compromised. The third point, the part provide risk control rules similar to multi-signature on the chain but without gas fees. TSS operates in a similar way but without the need to pay gas fees. Gas fees are costs associated with executing transactions on the blockchain. They are paid in the cryptocurrency used on the blockchain and are required to compensate the miners who validate and record transactions on the blockchain. In TSS, however, the signatures are generated off chain, meaning that they are not recorded on the blockchain and do not require gas fees. This makes TSS a more cost effective option for implementing risk control measures. As a result, TSS can provide the same level of security as multisig, but with the added benefit of lower cost and improved scalability. And going forward with the advantages of particle network, it's non-custodial, security, has a very good end user experience, and it's cross-platform and with its scale services. We have our backers are Long Hash Ventures, Insignia Ventures, Zenfund, and Perfect World. And our partners are PNB Chain, Google Cloud, OKC Network, Polygon, and Avalanche. We have some of the biggest clients in the Web3 industry. And here are links to all the particle networks, all the technical details you may need from. Thank you. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.
Hey, this is Diego from the Autonomy Network. Autonomy Network is a decentralized automation protocol for Web3 developers designed to enable the creation of feature rich dApps, as well as supporting Web3 native operations and tasks. With the support of multiple EVM chains, Solana and Cosmos, our goal is to help developers build applications that are at least competitive with their centralized counterparts, while also leveraging the benefits of decentralization. By providing a native infrastructure for automation, we aim to make it easier for developers in Web3 to build and deploy powerful and scalable dApps. As a team, we have a unique perspective into the market, having experience in trading, DeFi, being DeFi degens, and building at the intersection of blockchains, DEXes, DEX bots, traditional finance, cloud infrastructure, etc. So, why are we building autonomy? We are building autonomy because we think it's inevitable. If you look at the evolution of applications in the blockchain space, you will notice that with every new innovation, there was innovation in the underlying primitives and infrastructure that enabled those. For example, we all know that Bitcoin kicked things off, and then we had Ethereum with smart contracts, which enabled the creation of DAOs and tokens, which in turn created DeFi with AMMs and lending platforms. In turn, paved the way for DEX aggregators, yield farms, leverage, etc. And we believe that the next piece of infrastructure required to onboard the next million billion people into the centralized space is automation. Automation allows applications like DEXes to have feature priority with sexes by being able to provide limit orders, stop losses, automatic self liquidations. We can have things that exist in the Web2 space, like recurring payments, subscription payments, and there's even more innovation in the NFT space with autonomous NFTs. What problem are we trying to solve with autonomy? The biggest risk is that crypto requires 24/7 attention, and the problem is that humans aren't 24/7. And so we require automation. With autonomy, we're trying to provide automation to two sets of participants, the users and app developers. For the users, the problem is that they can't monitor crypto 24/7. So that means that they can't trade at specific prices on DEXs, they can't place limit orders and stop losses. They need to constantly monitor borrowing positions to avoid getting liquidated. They have to manually manage their strategies, can't play PvE crypto games because NFTs and NPCs don't automatically interact with players. And they can't send recurring payments such as salary or subscriptions, or they can manage payment streams, etc. For dApps and dApp developers, the problem is a bit different. But the problem is that developing dApps that use automation take a long time and it's hard. So with autonomy, we abstract away the need to write bots, run and maintain servers, and integrate those systems into a UI. At Autonomy, we have built multiple user solutions. We have built these products mostly to showcase the various use cases of automation that would not have been possible to be built with Autonomy. We have AutoSwap, which is our AMM that enables users to place limit orders and stop losses. We have MetaDungeon, which is the first ever true NPC slash autonomous NFT game. Essentially means that NFTs in this game are able to interact with players. They're able to fly into wallets and outside of wallets. We have created Auto Hedge, which is a way to LP on DEXes without being exposed to the price movement on the pairs. It is essentially a completely automatically managed delta neutral strategy. We have created Autonomy Institutional that uses some of our more interesting features, such as privacy and mempool manipulation, such that you get the best prices and almost instant executions. Autosave, which allows you to automatically get liquidated before you can get liquidated by a bot and have to pay the liquidation fee. We also have Automation Station, which allows anyone to automate any function on a smart contract. As mentioned before, our second set of participants are dApps and dApp developers. We have set up our infrastructure and built several tools such that developers are able to easily integrate autonomy and automation into their development workflows. With our core infrastructure, our SDKs and APIs, we are able to massively speed up the dApp development cycle because we abstract away the complexities of building decentralized automation so that developers can focus on building and not have to write bots, set up and maintain servers, decentralize their current centralized automation workflows. They don't have to do any lengthy UI integrations. And even further than that, they are able to access advanced features that we provide that no other automation protocol is able to, such as monitoring the mempool for faster execution, optimizing for outcomes at the time of execution, and even data injection, which means that they're able to integrate any off-chain APIs or actions into their decentralized automation workflows. It is very simple how it works. Autonomy is essentially a set of smart contracts with one main that receive requests from users and gets executed by bots. And anyone can run a bot. Whenever someone makes a request for something to be executed with a certain condition, essentially automate something in the future, a user pays a bounty to the bot. And anyone that wants to run a bot and earn these fees from executing things is required to stake our token. I want to now show you guys a small demo of one of our most used use cases, which is limit orders and stop losses for DEXes. Basically, in order for DEXes to achieve more mainstream adoption, they have to at least reach feature parity with CEXes. And limit orders and stop losses is something that hasn't really been done a lot in the DEX space. And with Autonomy, it is a very simple UI integration. So let's see how we can place a limit and stop loss. So as you can see, we just select our pairs and we select the price that we want to execute the swap. We place the limit order and approve the transaction. And as we can see, we will see the open order in a second. There we are. And then the open order is not open anymore because now we have reached the price and the order has executed. And again, all of this is available through our SDK. Like I said, it's a very easy UI integration. So these are some of our existing investors and supporters. And these are some of our current integrations. Some are in progress and some are already executed on. Our most recent one is Astroport. It just went live a few days ago. And that is it. Would love to get in touch with anyone interested. And we can chat more about our roadmap and our plans for the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Michael, I'm Magic Square's COO, and today I'm going to present to you our company for the Web3Port Entrepreneur Acceleration Program. Magic Square is the discovery platform for the world of Web3, crypto, and blockchain apps and games. We are the gateway to the decentralized future. Our mission statement is to create a discovery platform that connects users and developers of Web3 games and apps to pave the way for a unified digital future. The reason why we founded Magic Square is that every traditional industry needs discovery. YouTube is the discovery platform for video content, Steam for games, Booking.com for hotels, Spotify for audio content, and the Apple, iOS, and Google Play Store are for the Web2 mobile apps and games. Today, there is no discovery platform for Web3 apps and games, and this is where Magic Square comes in. The market fact and figures. Today, over 4,000 new Web3 apps are released every month, with the market size projected to be 368 billion by 2027. The developer challenges by not having a Web3 app store. Discovery. It's extremely difficult to reach the right audience with the existing Web3 marketing tools that are ineffective and expensive. And also, traditional Web2 marketing tools are not applicable or blocked. This means that developers that want to present their projects to users, both new users from the Web2 world or existing users from the Web3 world, it's extremely difficult to reach them. It's either very expensive or not practical. Interoperability. Developers are missing out on users due to the fact that chain and app interoperability has extreme limitations today. Users aren't able to reach the apps because it's extremely complicated. Community. The lack of a Web3 discovery platform makes building a community, which is essential for the growth of a project, especially in early ages, extremely difficult. Without a community strong and resilient, it's extremely difficult to grow in this space. User challenges. Web3 at its current state is extremely complex and difficult, both for mainstream users, but also for Web3 users. Even the most seasoned Web3 users find themselves wasting tons of time finding and trying to see where they can get the best and the newest Web3 projects. They have to go into light papers, white papers, study the LinkedIn of the founders. All of this is extremely time consuming. Safety and trust. Scam and bad actors make it challenging for users to know who they can trust with their assets and data, especially after this year with all of the apps and projects that didn't go as well as we expected them to go. There is a trust issue right now in this space, and we at Magic Square are trying to solve that. Last but not least, privacy. In Web 2, your data does not belong to you. The Magic Square solution. A discovery platform in the form of a Web3 app store, which is the Magic Store, where users can discover community-vetted apps and games. This means every single app that is listed on the store has to go through a community validation process. We are not the gatekeepers, the community is. In addition to that, we offer unique use-to-earn features that depend on their activity on the store and engagement with the projects listed on the store. They can do that by collecting what we call the karma score. By having this, we created an ecosystem where users that come to our platform and make activities on it really contribute to the space. This platform's intuitive interface makes the transition between Web 2 and Web 3 seamless, and its interoperability allows users to engage with apps from all chains in one place while protecting their privacy with user-controlled settings. In addition to that, developers get a suite of tools that can help them to contribute to their community and user-based growth. These tools are cost-friendly and efficient, which is not something that exists in the Web3 world today. Some of these tools include advertisements, promotions that they can offer to users, and our Web3 affiliate network, Magic Boost. Magic Square USPs. First and foremost, no fees for developers, not for listing and not from their revenues, not 30%, not 15%. An intuitive user experience and interface, making it easy for Web 2 users to make the transition to Web 3. Community driven. Like we said previously, every single app that comes to the store and wants to list themselves has to go through a community validation process. And in the future, the entire governance would be done by the community as well. Interoperability. All chains are supported and that users can access all of their apps in one single place. Last but not least, dynamic incentives. This means that the project developers have the ability to offer dynamic incentives for the users to be engaged and active with their project. Magic Square's traction to date. We are happy to say that since we launched in the third week of August, we have over 250,000 users that signed up to our beta. Over 300 apps that have already completed the listing and validation on the Magic Store. In addition to that, over 28,000 registered affiliates to the Magic Boost Web3 affiliate network, and over 326,000 social media followers across our channels. The utilities of the SQR token, our native utility token. Governance, user packages and incentives, advertisements, ecosystem grants, and the Web3 affiliate network. The SQR token is the blood. It's the fuel that makes the system run and flow. The more users that onboard themselves to the store and the more projects that are listed on the store will create a higher demand for the SQR token. Karma score. Karma is the internal currency used to reward users for being active on the platform and engage with the projects listed on the store. Some of these actions include, but also there are additional ones, such as refer a friend, being active and engaged with projects listed on the store, with sharing apps across social media channels, leaving meaningful reviews for other users, and of course, participating in the validation of the apps in the validation process. Competition. Comparing ourselves to other solutions in the space today, you can see that Magic Square has significant advantages. First, no fees for developers, as we said, which is a big issue that has been discussed very much recently regarding Apple and the Google Play stores with the revenues that they take from the developers. A much more intuitive UI UX experience, which the existing solutions in the space, such as dApps, do not offer for Web2 users to have a seamless transition to Web3. Community-driven approach, which is something that none of the competitors out there offer today. They are a for-profit, for-organization businesses. We are here for the community and for the growth and the health of the entire ecosystem. Interoperability with all chains and all apps in one place. Special engagement tools that will increase the activity of users with projects. Not just growth, but growth of an active and engaged community. And last but not least, built-in privacy tools. The users decide what and which of their data is shared in order to get the best experience possible on the Magic Store. The business model, advertisements, the affiliate marketplace, Magic Boost, DeFi aggregations, and hot offers. The hot offers section is a special and unique section where users would be able to come to the store and to find the hottest promotions in the Web3 space. This is what is going to equivalent to be the Groupon of Web3. Our leadership team consists of experienced and seasoned professionals. Our co-founders, Andre and Benjamin, have over 2 decades of experience in venture capital businesses, tech startups, and online marketing. Steve Cho, the CPO, comes to us from the Apple App Store. Alexander and Eugene, our VP R&D and blockchain architects, have a vast experience in building the infrastructure required to create this product. We invite you all to meet the team at magicsquare.io About Us section, where you'll be able to meet all of the leadership and the rest of the professionals working in the company. The rest of the team consists 5 senior management, 23 deployment team, 6 in the marketing team, 4 in business development, and 4 community management. The roadmap for 2023 consists of the following sections. In the fourth quarter of 2023, we're going to launch our public beta and the hot offers section that I mentioned previously. In the second quarter of 2023, we are going to present the advertisements real-time bidding system, including activities and competitions to get the users active and engaged on the store and with the projects listed on it. In the third quarter, we are going to include DeFi aggregations and an NFT section. And last but not least, at the fourth quarter, we are going to have our TGE and add our governance tools for the community. Fundraising. Detailing of the fundraising rounds that have been conducted so far and the round which is now open. Private round phase 1 has been completed at July 2022, raising $3 million at an FTV of $30 million. The KOL round, which was closed a few months ago in October, has been completed with an additional raise of $1 million at an FTV of $75 million. And right now we are opening the private round phase 2 with an FTV of $120 million, aiming to raise $10.2 million. So far, the strategic investors that back Magic Square proudly are Binance Labs, Crypto.com, Republic Capital, Gate.io Labs, KuCoin Labs, DAO Maker, GSR, Huobi Ventures, and more. Thank you for your time. If you would like to discuss a partnership, we invite you to contact Tote, our Director of Investor Relations, at tote@magicsquare.io. To list your project on the Magic Store, you can contact Nate, our Head of Sales and BizDev, at nate@magicsquare.io. You can sign up to the beta of the Magic Store at www.magic.store. And to check out our website, go to www.magicsquare.io. Thank you very much for your time.